Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to fix that Minecraft lag. And right now, I can really logged in because this is just going to be a free trial. However, if you're experiencing some lag internally in Minecraft, I'm going to teach you how to fix this one even after resetting your modem or your internet, okay? So let me just remove this one, and nothing is playing on the background or anything related to Minecraft is not playing in the background. The first thing I'm going to do right now is going to be on network and internet. Let me just go in here. That would be network and internet. That would be view network connections. Now, once I'm in here, I'm going to select Ethernet 3, the one that I'm connected with. And I'm going to go for properties right here. Look for the one that says version 4. Right click on it. And in here, make sure you click on use the following DNS server's address. On the first line right there, just type in 888. Sorry about that. That's too much. That should be only 8. 8 and then 8 and then 8. Also 8 right there. Next one on the lower part, it should be 8. I think that would be 8844 if I'm not mistaken. So that would be 8844. And basically click on OK for this one, but I'm going to change it because I'm not having any problem. But for you guys, if you have any problems with the light connection, please do so. So I'm going to cancel this one right there. Perfect. That's going to be step 1 and check your Minecraft if it's going to be fixed now. If not, let's proceed to the next step. For the next one, we're going to go for firewall right there. I'm going to open it up and look for inbound rules. Click on new road right here. And for this one, go for port. Click on next right there. And in here, make sure you type in the specific code, right? The specific code for that one will be 49152. I think I have double 4 there. That will be 49152. Sorry about that. I think I'm missing some numbers there. That will be 49152. And then this is important, the dash. And then that will be 65535. Click on next for this one, you'll be good to go. And basically for that one, you're all now set. Now, if something's happening and still not working, go back on firewall and make sure it has been saved. Actually right there, making sure everything is good and okay. Now, after that's going there, if it's still not working, let's proceed for the next step. Now, this is going to be the last one. That will be add and remove programs. Type it up. This one right here. This is going to be system settings. Look for Minecraft, of course, since we're talking about Minecraft here. Should be around here somewhere. And I think it's not properly installed at my end. So for the sake of the discussion, let's talk about, there we have it. Sorry about that. So click on it right here. Click on advanced options. On the lower part, click on terminate first and then click on repair. And then basically click on reset. And that's good. And that's done. And I'm really sure it's fixed now. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.